this is Marilu and welcome to my YouTube channel. You can also call me Mari. So it's been about 6 to 7 years since I have seen you guys, and a lot has happened since then. A lot of good things and a lot of incredible things and some really tough things. And I want to share more of that with you as time goes on, and I just want to be an inspirational voice to anybody who is going through something. And I just want to grow with you all. And yeah, so I am here today to create a fun, simple, but colorful and bright and bold makeup look for us women who are in their late 30s, early 40s. You know, we still want to have fun with our makeup, but we want it to be classy and timeless. So I'm going to show you how. As you can see, I'm wearing a bright orange top, so this makeup look is going to be more like of a sunset look. So I'm going to show you how to incorporate colors but still keep it soft. I do want to kind of warn you guys, my nails just look terrible. I don't know why they just didn't last this time. But anyways, I just want to say that, and I will get them done as soon as possible. So here I have the Anastasia Beverly Hills Norvina palette, and I like to use this palette a lot. It's really fun. And forgive the eyeshadow, some of them kind of broke. But I'm going to take this orange right here, and it's the lighter one of the two, and I'm going to work that color into the crease. Take a fluffy blending brush and work this orangey color into your crease, blending it really well using windshield wiper motions. So I don't know about you guys, but I love to deepen my eyes a little bit more because I feel like I have a hooded eye. So the dark colors really help. So I'm going to take this one here. It's E2. And I'm going to take a brush like this. And I'm going to put this right here, and I like to go along my crease. What you're doing here is adding more color into the outer corners and into the crease. This is really going to bring out your eyes. It's going to define them. It's going to give them more warmth. This is a very important step in this makeup look. I am using Kat Von D's Tattoo eyeliner. I love this eyeliner because it is dark. You want to make sure to apply the thickest eyeliner on the outside and tapering it in the inner corners. I am using Magic Extension Mascara by MAC. This is really going to lengthen and build, volumize, and thicken those lashes. I thought I recorded the part of my concealer, but it didn't. I guess I didn't record it. But anyways, I used Anastasia Beverly Hills Magic Touch Concealer in shade 6. And pretty much I put it in this area right here, brushed it up. Made a huge difference. I feel, you know, I look brighter. And then I'm going to go set it just a tad bit with Kat Von D's, I want to say it's a translucent setting powder. So just a little bit. I don't like a lot of powder under my eyes because, guys, like, hitting your late 30s is not cool when it comes to fine lines on your face. But, you know, I'm embracing them. I am blessed, and it is a privilege to get older. So now I'm going to move on to blush. And, oh gosh, I think I'm going to use this one. It's called Out for a Run, and it's a cream blush by MAC. It's pretty old, so it might even be discontinued, but you can, you know, any cream blush with a more corally tone would be perfect. So I'm going to place that right on my cheeks. Okay guys, how am I looking? So this is the time when you can decide if you want to use false eyelashes. I love false eyelashes, so I totally, you know, for me, I would totally do it, but I'm probably just going to go to the grocery store after this, so I do not want to wear false lashes. It's just sometimes annoying, especially for like everyday errand type of thing. Unless they're like super lightweight, I wouldn't mind that. But so I'm going to show you the lip color that I'm going to do. I've been using this a lot. It's just like the perfect kind of plummy pinky color, but not too pinky. So it works really well with this sunset eye look. I kind of have a little bit on right now, but this is Plum Lip Liner by MAC. I overline my lips just slightly, not too much, because I like to accentuate their shape. And then I'm just going to take this lipstick, and this is called Dance Floor Princess by Charlotte Tilbury. I'm not going to lie, guys. I have been obsessing over Charlotte Tilbury's makeup products. I love them. I love them. Just adding a little bit of definition. I forgot to do this step. So this is Pillow Talk lip liner. Sometimes I'll fill it in here just to give it a little bit more color. You could do that with the lipstick too, because they do also have a Pillow Talk lipstick. And then the last step would just be to add a touch of gloss. So this is Revlon here, and this is Peony. Yeah, it's called Peony. So I just like to put it in the center. Kind of blot a little bit. Perfect color. It's not too pink. So yeah, it looks like we're done. What do you guys think? So this is something that is super simple for you ladies who are in your late 30s, early 40s, or whoever wants to try this makeup look, because it's perfect for all ages. But if you are trying to, you know, be a little bit bold with your eye makeup, and if you want a little bit more punch, a little bit more boldness, you can absolutely do a little bit more bold on the inner corners. And see how pretty that is? You can already tell. I'm going to do Anastasia Beverly Hills highlighter. Here. So this is the final makeup look. What do you guys think? I hope you loved it. I hope it simplifies things for you. Like I said, it's perfect for, you know, women in their late 30s or early 40s, or honestly for whoever wants to try this makeup look. It's so perfect, timeless, and it's bold. So it really helps you create those bold eyeshadow colors, and truly make them fun for every day and not too crazy wild. So I'm so happy that you guys tuned in. Please like and subscribe to my YouTube channel. I would appreciate the support, and I'm really looking forward to getting to know every one of you guys.